Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To run your payroll on its scheduled day, click the Employees link within the navigation bar. On the Employees page, click the Run Payroll button at the top right-hand side of the page. Alternately, you can click the Create icon and simply click the Payroll link that appears under the Employees column. If you have more than one pay schedule, choose the schedule to run and then click the Continue button. On the Enter Employee Pay Details page, ensure that the bank account from which you are paying the payroll is selected. Confirm the pay period and the pay date shown are correct and make any necessary changes if needed. Note that there is a small gear icon on the right side of the screen at the top of the employees list. The gear allows you to show different columns depending on the pay types you have set up for your employees. The employee list is where you will enter the regular pay, overtime hours, bonus, etc. The columns shown will depend on the different pay types that you have created. Enter the pertinent information into the fields within this list. Any hours entered into weekly timesheets or single time activity will also be displayed within this list. For each employee you have selected, there will be a pencil icon shown at the right-hand side of the list line. Clicking the pencil icon will open up the paycheck detail for that employee. This is basically a digital representation of the pay stub. The pay section contains the type of pay, the hour and rate of pay, the current total, and the year-to-date total for the employee. The employee taxes section contains the type of tax withheld, the current tax withheld, and the year-to-date taxes withheld. The employer taxes section lists the type of tax for which the employer is responsible, the current tax amount, and the year-to-date tax amounts. There is a memo section where you can enter a memo about the employee's check if necessary. Click the OK button to be returned to the previous page. When you have completed your entries on the page, click the Preview Payroll button to continue the payroll process. This will open the preview page. Make sure to thoroughly check your work. When you are sure all of the information is correct, click the Submit Payroll button. The paycheck information will display. If this information is all correct, you can then click the Finish Payroll button. The first time that you run your payroll through QuickBooks Online Plus, you will be asked to set up the paper options you use when you print your paychecks and stubs. When you are finished with the setup, you can then click the View and Print buttons. You can choose to save your checks or skip check numbers. When you're finished, you can then click the Continue button. At this point, you will have completed your payroll. You can run, view, and save or print your payroll reports at this time.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.